In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find standard deviation in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and pull up your worksheet. In this example, we're working with a simple set of score data entered into the spreadsheet. Standard deviation is a statistical measure that tells you how spread out your values are compared to the average or mean. If the standard deviation is small, that means the numbers are grouped closely around the average. If it's large, that means the data varies more and is more spread out. This is useful when you want to understand consistency in a data set rather than just the average alone. For the example shown here, the worksheet includes a list of students and their scores. The score values are entered in cells B2 through B7. The names themselves are not important for the calculation because standard deviation only uses the numeric values. What matters is the range that contains your numbers. The first method, and usually the recommended one, is to use the STDEV.S function. This is the right choice when your data is a sample of a larger population, which is very common in school, business, and general analysis. To do this, first make sure your data is entered in cells B2 through B7. Then click the cell where you want the result to appear. After that, type the formula equals STDEV.S, open parenthesis, B2, B7, close parenthesis. Then press Enter. Excel will immediately calculate the sample standard deviation for those values. The second method is to use the STDEV.P function. This one is used when your data represents the entire population rather than just a sample. The process is almost the same. Select the cell where you want the answer to go, type equals STDEV.P, open parenthesis, B2 B7, close parenthesis, and then press Enter. Excel will return the population standard deviation for the full range of values. A good rule of thumb is to use STDEV.S most of the time, since many datasets are samples rather than complete populations. Use STDEV.S only when you're certain the range includes every value in the group you want to measure. That's all it takes to find standard deviation in Excel. Once you understand which formula to use, the calculation becomes quick, accurate, and easy to repeat on any dataset.